The Red Hot Chili Peppers is the debut studio album by American rock band Red Hot Chili Peppers, released August 10, 1984 on EMI America and Enigma Records. The album was produced by Gang of Four guitarist Andy Gill and is the only Peppers album to feature Jack Sherman on guitar. Sherman was in the band as a replacement for founding member Hillel Slovak, who'd left the band along with founding drummer Jack Irons before the album was recorded. Shortly after the album was released, Sherman was fired and Slovak rejoined the band. The album also features founding members Anthony Kiedis on vocals and Flea on bass, as well as Cliff Martinez on drums. Get Up and Jump was the only single released from the album, but a music video was made for the song True Men Don't Kill Coyotes. The album has been credited as the first release from the funk metal genre and has also been labeled as the little spark that ignited the rap rock revolution. The band was often at odds with producer Andy Gill over the musical direction of the album. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.